How to enable Nightlight mode in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on and schedule it to reduce eye strain in the evening. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System on the left sidebar. After that, click on Display on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle labeled Nightlight near the top. Turn that on to enable it straight away. From here, click on Nightlight to open the full settings and customize how it works. Following this, drag the strength slider to adjust how warm or intense the color shift appears on your screen. Moving it further right makes the screen more orange, which is easier on the eyes in low light. After that, if you want Nightlight to turn on and off automatically, toggle on Schedule Nightlight. From here, you can choose between sunset to sunrise, which uses your location to automatically match daylight hours, or set hours if you'd rather pick your own custom start and end times. At this point, if you chose Set Hours, tap the Start and End Time fields and set them to whatever works best for your routine. Finally, once your schedule is set, Nightlight will activate and deactivate automatically every day without you having to do anything manually. That's how you enable Nightlight mode in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one.